DJ Dylan on the mix. but it still feels strange.